Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand, designer brand from Paris, and this is Gorgeous Rech. Gorgeous Rech has been around for since 1960s. Their main business is clothing, for especially for the ladies, and since I think around 10 years ago they started to venture into perfume as well. Right now they have around I think 20 perfumes in their lineup, in their portfolio, some for men, some for ladies, and I unboxed and reviewed at least about 5 of their fragrances before, and they are quite impressive for the price you pay. This one in particular is called Gorgeous Rech Just Gold, is Eau de Perfume, is targeted for men, and it is 100 ml, and in United Kingdom you can find it under £30, and let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing, please do me a favor, show me love, hit those buttons, subscribe, which is free, and comments, like, share the video, this video with others. All these things will help this channel to keep afloat, to survive, to stay in this endeavor to bring you fragrances like this in future that not many people talk about them. They are quite good and they are nice for the price you're paying. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. When you do unboxing, sorry about the noise, you can't do anything about it. So as it says, just gold, they mean it. Look at this, it's all blingy blingy, it's all gold with black writing. Very nice design to it, although the box and the presentation is on the minimalistic and the simplistic side, but as always, give me a good juice and give me a very simple presentation, I'll be very happy. Give me a very elaborate presentation, but you give me a very bad juice or not a good juice, it'd be a waste of time, waste of money, and waste of effort. So let's see how it goes. So as I said, the box is very simple and minimalistic, but it's nice design to it. And here we go, let's see the bottle. So the main thing is protecting the bottle very well. Okay, usually the bottles are very nice, especially for the price you're paying. These retails for I think 60 to 70 pounds, but they always, you can find them on, if you go and Google it, you can always find them discounted online at under 30 pounds. So as you can see, very pretty, quite heavy bottle, and this metal plaque or plastic pretending to be metal, but very nice design to the bottle. It's a classic bottle with a beautiful retro design to it, and the cap is plastic and it's very light, but it says Gorgeous Rech on top, and the atomizer is gold. And here we go, how is the atomizer? Atomizer is okay, it's not one of the best, it's not one of the worst. It's in the middle of the road. It goes psh, psh, psh. It doesn't go psh. Okay, here we go. So first impression for Gorgeous Rech, and this is Just Gold, aimed for men, and here we go. Woo, it's filling the room already. Sweet, spicy. Is there tobacco in here as well? Quite herbal. Leather. Hint of vanilla in here as well. Okay, woody. Anyway, let's go. Here we go. They done it again. For the price, it smells beautiful. It opened up quite rounded and smooth, no harshness, no chemical to it, nothing like that. I can feel something boozy in here, quite boozy. It is sweet, it is spicy, it's tobacco-y, and I can smell quite a big cinnamon at the moment, and hint of leather in the base, not too much right now for the first impression. And also, as I said, it's quite boozy in the beginning. It smells like between maybe, look, when you say boozy, it's very difficult to distinguish, okay? Because you know, in fragrances, boozy aspect or boozy accords, they are just an impression, okay? Just a feeling, an impression, and it's just to take you there. But you cannot really, you know, pinpoint what kind of booze is it. Is it whiskey? Is it cognac? Is it vodka? It's very difficult. But to me right now, yeah, a little bit of like a hint of that whiskey it is in here, because it's like a whiskey that is sitting in a barrel for a long time and is taking that smell of that barrel, that woodiness of the barrel, and also the color of the barrel. Yeah, I smell the color is quite appropriate here. It says Gorgeous Rech Just Gold, and the gold name is quite appropriate. Yeah, it's very nicely done. It's very it's quite masculine, but it's done in a way that is a metrosexual, so anybody can wear it, ladies and men. There is nothing in here to make an uber masculine, but that tobacco note, making a hint of masculinity in here because of that tobacco note. The tobacco here is quite leafy, it's a little on the pipey side, and also a hint of honeyed to it as well. It's a little bit on the honeyed side. Yeah, honeyed tobacco plus hint of hay in here. So I'm smelling something like a hay. So it's like a dry grass, okay? So it's hay, dry grass, boozy, tobacco, sweet, honeyed, cinnamon. Cinnamon is quite prominent at the moment. So all these things, it would take you to a realm of something like a classical, fragrances. It does smell something quite classical to me, not overly classical because they are modernized it, but to me it smells a little on the classical side as well. All right, let me see. It was very difficult to find anything about this fragrance. I just found one website. I'm not sure how correct it is. Even on the Gorgeous Rech website, it wasn't nothing there. So let's see. By the way, this Just Gold came out a few months ago, so it's one of their newest releases. And obviously nobody else, it's not even in Fragrantica, it's not nowhere to be seen, not on YouTube. So I'm the first one to review this basically. So let's see as I said, this is what I could find, but take it with a pinch of salt because we don't know exactly if it's correct. So it says warm cinnamon, which is correct. I'm smelling quite a big cinnamon in here. Pepper, to some extent, when it opened a little bit on the fizzy side, but it was more like boozy than like a champagne smell or a whiskey smell to it, rather than pepperiness. Then we go to the tobacco accord and vanilla, cedar, musk, and vetiver. So everything in here I smell, apart from the pepper, maybe hint of pepper at the moment, but not too much. The vetiver, yeah, it's giving it that green grassy feel. The only thing is I smell something hay and honeyed, which is not mentioned in the note breakdown, or there is an accord in here which is not mentioning. So the tobacco, yes, the tobacco, as I said, is leafy, is honeyed, is sweet, and is spicy with the cinnamon, is spiced with the cinnamon, and the cinnamon is quite prominent in here. I would say the first thing it hits me, it was the boozy notes, which is like a whiskey note. And then after that it was the tobacco, after that is the cinnamon, and after that basically the sweetness of the vanilla, a hint of muskiness, not too much right now, and the base is quite woody, which is coming from the cedar. Yeah, it is quite woody, but not too much again. So if you like what I described, for the price under £30, it smells great. The only thing is we have to wait and see in the development and also the longevity. Because with the brand Gorgeous Rech, I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before. The smell wise and the presentation wise, they are very, very good. The only thing is, in terms of longevity, they are okay. They are not a big fragrances. They're usually around 5, 6 hours on the skin, on the material, a little bit longer. So let's see how it goes. Even if it gives me that amount of time as in longevity, that is good, because don't forget the price is very, very affordable in here. But they've done a good job again. Smells quite on the masculine side, but not too masculine. So let's recap what you're getting from this. First thing it hits me is the booziness, and it smells like a whiskey to me. Yeah, it's quite creamy and it's quite buttery, which is very, very well done for the price. And also that cinnamon is quite prominent. Tobacco, honey, sweet honey, and also hay-like accord or smell to it. Plus that vanilla is in the base, giving it that beautiful vanillic sweetness. Hint of cedar, hint of woodiness in the base, and it's just lifting everything together. And also what else? Yeah, and the spices, which is mainly cinnamon. I'm smelling something like a nutty feel to it as well. Yeah, hint of nuttiness. Maybe there's a nutmeg in here, or maybe it's tonka bean, which is they're not mentioning. But smell wise, it's gorgeous, especially for this time of year. It is quite warm and inviting and captivating, and it's just alluring. It's quite on the sensual side as well. So if you like this kind of fragrances for the price, it's absolutely yes, yes, yes for me, at least for the first impression. So if you like what I described in terms of boozy, cinnamony, tobacco, sweet, hay, honeyed, and a little bit of woodiness in the base, if you like this kind of fragrances, to me this is worth every penny, at least for the first impression. Is absolutely up my alley. I love tobacco based fragrances anyway, and this one is just basically captivating me right now. Okay guys, so that was the first impression for Gorgeous Rech Gorgeous Rech Just Gold. In terms of season, this is better suited for cooler weather. But I think you can use it easily in autumn and also in spring, but not the high heat. In high heat, it could be a little bit cloying. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. Although the DNA in here is quite friendly, but because of that classical feel to it, it's giving me a little bit of classical feel. That's why it's giving me a little bit on the maturer side. So I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. In terms of occasion, this is very, very beautifully done. So I would say it's good for going out, special occasion, formal occasion, and things like that. But because the price is right, you can use it anytime, anywhere you want. So it could be very, very versatile as well. And in terms of the so we said the age, we said the season, and we said the occasion, and the gender, as I said, is quite masculine, but it's not on uber masculine. So you could, if you are a lady and you like this kind of fragrances, you can use it as well. Okay guys, if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please do me a favor and hit those buttons. Show me love, subscribe, like, comment, share this video with others. All these things will help me to survive and bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they're hidden gems, and this one, it looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They call the scent of Persia because I'm a Persian man. I'm an Iranian. We have been making perfumes, the Iranian, the Persian people, we've been making perfumes for more than 5,000 years. We were the first civilization to make perfumes, and we know few things about perfumes. So I bring the ingredients from my country, Iran, which are one of the best ingredients in the world, and mix them together, and I come up with 20 different perfumes. They're all unique, artistic, very, very high quality. The ratio for what you pay, what you get is ridiculous, and they are ultra beast mode. Okay guys, I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.